This video looks at the second numeracy process. Apply. Apply questions ask you to translate a real-world problem into a math problem. This might include identifying math concepts or representing the data in another way. For example, you might be asked to select the best way to graphically represent data. Here's the question. You decide to do the following computation with Stephen's sales report. 55 divided by 7. What are you calculating? To find the answer, let's check the sales report. On average, Stephen sold 55 phones in 1 week. Well, there are 7 days in 1 week. So if I divide 55 by 7, I will find the average number of phones Stephen sold in 1 day. Let's check the choices below to see if one of them matches this reasoning. First, the average number of phones sold in 1 day. That's what I was thinking, but it's always a good idea to go through the other choices to check and see if it's the best answer. Second, the average number of phones sold in 1 week. The sales report tells us he sold an average of 55 phones in 1 week, so this choice can't be correct. Third, the average number of phones sold in 1 month. For that estimate, we would need to multiply 55 by 4, since there are approximately 4 weeks in April. Fourth, the average number of phones sold in 1 year. He would probably sell more than 55 phones in 1 year. For that estimate, we would need to multiply 55 by 52, since there are 52 weeks in a year. That means the answer we should select is the first one. By translating information about phone sales over different units of time, we use math to make sense of a real-world situation. And that's what apply questions are all about. Thanks for watching.